Automation Anywhere has helped our organization by giving us a relatively easy way to gather all the data that we need to make our purpose work. We have data from HR systems. We have data from volunteer matching systems. We have data from grants systems. And so Automation Anywhere has enabled us to put all that data together, to automate the gathering of that data, and to automate the posting of that data into usable forms. It's very user-friendly, it's very developer-friendly. Along with being resilient and robust and scalable, integration of Automation Anywhere is the primary reason that Automation Anywhere process building is so simple. All the building blocks are handed to us. It takes away the guesswork as to what has to be connected to where, when, and how. And we get to pay more attention to the logic of the process rather than the mechanics and infrastructure of the process. To accomplish what we've done so far with the bots in production, it would take 40,000 hours of labor to get where we are today. In my career, I've used competitors, and the competitors are just fine, and they provide similar functions. What Automation Anywhere has over the competitors is ease of use, the built-in scalability, the built-in resilience, and the fact that the learning curve is significantly less onerous than any other competitor out there.